Did you know that Earth experiences nearly 8 million lightning strikes every single day? It's a phenomenon that shapes our world in ways we don't even realize. In this video, we'll take you inside the heart of Earth's electric storms. The power, the science, the mystery, and the impact on life here on Earth. So, what is lightning exactly, and why does it happen? Every lightning bolt begins as a tiny spark, sparked by an imbalance in charges within a storm cloud. When warm, moist air rises, it cools and condenses into storm clouds. Within these clouds, ice crystals and water droplets collide constantly, creating a buildup of positive and negative charges. Positive charges tend to gather at the top of the cloud, while negative charges build up at the bottom, creating a massive electrical imbalance. When this charge imbalance becomes extreme, the air simply can't contain the difference, and the electricity discharges in a flash. That's lightning. Imagine it like a massive spark jumping across the sky to balance things out. The air around it heats up to over 30,000 Kelvin. That's hotter than the surface of the sun. Most of the lightning you see happens within clouds, invisible to us. But sometimes, the electrical imbalance between the storm cloud and the ground below is so strong that a lightning bolt reaches all the way down to Earth. This is called cloud-to-ground lightning. It can strike open fields, buildings, trees, or any high point, making it one of the most dangerous types for us. And once lightning finds a path, it travels fast. Speeds can reach up to 300,000 kilometers per hour. Lightning isn't just a quick flash in the sky. It has real and sometimes devastating effects. In just one flash, a single bolt can carry enough power to light a 100-watt bulb for 3 months straight. When lightning strikes a tree, for instance, the intense heat vaporizes the tree's sap, causing it to explode. In dry conditions, a lightning strike can even spark a wildfire. In fact, scientists estimate that lightning is responsible for up to 10% of all wildfires globally. Lightning isn't evenly distributed across the globe. Some regions experience far more strikes than others. Places like Central Africa, parts of South America, and Southeast Asia are known as lightning hotspots, with high temperatures, humidity, and frequent thunderstorms creating the perfect conditions for electric storms. In these regions, lightning storms can roll through multiple times a day, especially during the rainy season. In the US, Florida is the lightning capital, experiencing more strikes than any other state. Central and South America have their own lightning capital, Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela. This lake sees over 1 million strikes each year, so many that locals call it the everlasting storm. What makes Lake Maracaibo so unique is a combination of warm winds, humid air, and mountainous terrain that creates perfect conditions for lightning to form almost every night. But lightning isn't just destructive. It actually plays a key role in keeping our ecosystems healthy. When lightning strikes the ground, it helps break nitrogen molecules apart in the air. This nitrogen then combines with oxygen, forming nitrogen oxides, which fall to the ground with rain and help fertilize plants. Without lightning, the soil would miss a natural source of nitrogen, and plants might not thrive as they do. Lightning can, of course, be dangerous. Around the world, about 240,000 people are struck by lightning each year. While most strikes are non-fatal, the injuries can be serious and even life-changing. Lightning can disrupt the heart, nervous system, and brain, leading to a condition called coronopathy, the unique physical and neurological impact of being struck by lightning. The best way to stay safe is simple. Get indoors and avoid tall, isolated objects. Scientists are hard at work studying lightning, trying to understand how it works and where it might strike. Using satellites, radar systems, and new technologies like artificial intelligence, researchers are mapping lightning strikes in real time. The goal is to create more accurate weather models that can predict where and when lightning is most likely to hit. Advanced sensors are tracking patterns of lightning in places like Florida and Lake Maracaibo, where they can monitor the development of strikes from space. One of the major breakthroughs in lightning prediction has come from satellite-based systems. These sensors capture data on the upper atmosphere, which allows them to detect the early signatures of lightning long before it reaches the ground. This information could help keep people safe during storms, giving them a better sense of how close lightning might be and what direction it's moving. Let's wrap up with some incredible lightning facts. A single lightning bolt can reach a temperature of over 30,000 Kelvin, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. The longest recorded lightning bolt traveled an astonishing 709 kilometers through the sky, stretching across parts of 3 US states. And finally, the loud clap of thunder that follows each strike, that's the sound of the air rapidly expanding and contracting as it cools down after the intense heat of the lightning bolt. So next time you're watching a storm from the safety of your home, take a moment to appreciate the sheer power of lightning. From lighting up the sky to fueling ecosystems, lightning is one of Earth's most electrifying and awe-inspiring phenomena. And remember, while it may be beautiful, lightning is powerful, fast, and unpredictable. Whether you're watching it from afar or finding yourself in a storm, always respect the force of nature at work. Thanks for watching. If you liked video, please click like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.